Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Xfinity Comcast email. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in xfinity.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Xfinity website. Now from the home page, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and just click on sign in to my Xfinity account. You will then be taken into the sign-in portal from which you can click on create a new Xfinity ID. Now choose either your phone number or your social security number. After choosing your option, click on continue and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just type in your phone number and click on continue and you will be asked to check your inbox. Just check your phone SMS and you will find the verification code that you will need to enter within this screen. Just type in this 6-digit verification code and click on continue. If you don't receive the code, just click on the resend code button and you will once again be sent your verification code. Once you enter your verification code and click on continue, you will be allowed to sign up and create your user ID. After creating your user ID, you can create your password for your new account and you will successfully be signed up to your new account on Xfinity Comcast email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up to your email address on Comcast Xfinity. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.